Hello guys, welcome to TIDI Academy. So today we are doing a live trading. So can you see? So Nifty was very much range bound today. A very good day for option selling. So it was a broad CPR day and I have marked day high and day low. So since it was in the range, I just sold call and put options. Let us see what did I sell. So you can see the daily candle of Nifty also. It was very much flat from, almost from 4 days market was flat. That's the reason I have done one strategy that is called as iron condor. So what is iron condor? Selling the call option, selling the put option. Which call option? Just 100 points away call option, 100 points away put option. So I sold the call option and put option and also purchased the soldiers. What is the soldiers here? I bought 200 points away call option, 200 points below put option. So by doing so, my investment came down. So this is a strategy where, see, in this strategy I didn't infuse any money. So I had some shares. So I'll just show you what is my shares. So I was holding some shares of Divyani, so where they gave margin. So one second. So in the portfolio, can you see I was holding some shares of Divyani. So based on that they gave some margin to me, so around 1.4 lakhs margin. So without adding any money, I am doing trading today. Since I have shares in my account, so I got a margin. Using that margin facility, and I have done a iron condor today. Since market was range bound, I have done it. This is very important. So iron condor, that too intraday iron condor, is very risky. You should do it only during market is range bound. So when you can say market is range bound, that everything will teach you, don't worry. So market is range bound. So without adding any money, I am making 2000 rupees today. Since I have shares in my delivery, using that shares, using the margin, I am just doing option selling and generating secondary source of income, where that shares will be like utilized for long term. See, that shares whatever is there, no, that I will not touch also. That will be keep on growing. That will create a big asset for my for me and for my family. But this is a secondary income I'm generating without adding any money. So this is the greatness of this technique I'm teaching. So these things are very minute details which people don't understand. They feel if I have a delivery shares, I cannot do options. See, if you have a delivery shares, broker will give the margin. Using that margin, you can do option selling and generate a secondary source of income. So I hope you're able to understand what did I do today. So it's a live trading. It is in front of you. So running profit is around 2000. Can you see? So this is a main thing you have to understand. If some loss is there, some profit is there, a person knows hedging or he knows he is doing in a right way. Any person who shows completely profits is a fraud, number one fraud, because he is doing gambling. If anyone shows fully profit, he is doing gambling. A person who is doing hedging, can you see? Two orders running in losses, two orders running in profits. This is the main secret of hedging. Some items will be going in loss, some items will be going in profit. So this we have done a hedge. This is the power of hedging. To learn more about hedging, you can visit our institute. So TIDI Academy. So signing off. Thank you.